to some percentage vaikiranire na to some percentage maraikirani twaguteba we calculate each and every shilling twairuna county twairuna a constituency twairuna national government mbara akora the biggest part lakini the small part twaguteba mugala muwe na kiake mpe bintombira bakorere kidogo tutebe buno yozaire na bamoita tigatomwa haki yake kidogo tutebe kwenda kisi primary gaiga na roseti some 2 classes okugenda gekom ni under construction by the way okugenda kiamabundu I delivered around 8 classes kwenda timati ochigali beno aga KMTC nkaro lakini nkaraera ngote bare na wate 60 something kilometers of road airuna national government roch igabu na as much as to na wate obugun aki yake mpe kiria akolire geke